ATLS course, so it is known as, popularly known as Advanced Trauma Life Support course, was introduced in India in 2009. We have completed a decade, and every time we conduct this course, there are questions about its efficacy towards outcomes in patient care. This effort was put in by Dr. Amulya Ratan to gather some insight from our participants, and that has been overwhelming, and it confirms about the maintenance of the skills learned during the ATLS courses. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Amulya Ratan. I'm a trauma and critical care surgeon from India. India has a disproportionately high trauma mortality and morbidity compared to global standards. And as trauma professionals, we are really concerned about it. In the absence of formal trauma systems, Advanced Trauma Life Support has been a great equalizer, and that's why we are absolutely passionate about it. In the last 10 years, ATLS India program has trained more than 7,100 doctors. However, the course comes at a significant cost, at least from the student's perspective. The logistics and faculty arrangement need constant endeavors, and last but not the least, as ATLS is not mandatory in Indian medical school curriculum, a significant amount of energy has to be invested in pursuing the students to take the course. So it was intuitive that after completing 10 years, we sit down to gauge the distance traveled and also assess if all the efforts are worth it. So taking cue from the published literature, we drafted a questionnaire and improvised it using the Delphi method. This improvised survey instrument was emailed to 2,500 randomly selected ATLS providers trained by the ATLS India program over the previous decade. Questions were designed to capture the students' response on impact on their cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains, besides their opinion on utility and relevance of ATLS in India. The response was superb, and I would say it was a benediction for all the tireless and selfless efforts over the previous decade from the ATLS India family. The rest, as they would put in future, is history. Thank you.